Soya milk are moderately high in calories, which means they can help you gain weight. Today, I'll be showing you how to make soya milk in the simplest form. For this soya milk recipe, I'll be using 3 cups of soya beans. After measuring out my soya beans, I'm going to pour it into the water and soak it for a bit before I wash it. After soaking the beans for 15 minutes, I decided to take out the beans peel. This is very optional. You don't have to take out the beans peel, but I don't know, I like to take out mine. So this is what it looks like after washing out the beans peel. So after washing out the beans peel, I'm going to soak the beans for an hour. So this is what it looks like after soaking for 1 hour. The beans has doubled in size and it is soft and easy to blend now. I can break the beans between my 2 fingers, so that means it is very soft for it to be blended. Like I said, you can soya beans as it is. You don't need to take off the peel, just that I like to take off the peel before blending. So after washing, soaking and all that, the beans is now soft. Now it's time for me to blend it. I'm just going to pour it into my blender, add some water and give a smooth blend. So this is what the beans paste looks like after I blended it. It was very thick. So before I sieve out the juice the milk out of the paste, I'm going to add in enough water so that when I'm sieving out the milk, my milk will get out easily. You can see that the beans paste is thick, so I'm going to dilute it with some water. So now you can see I have diluted it with some water, so it is now at the right consistency. So I'm going to use a chiffon cloth to sieve out the milk out of the paste. So I'm just going to set a neat bowl and put my chiffon cloth around it, and I'm going to transfer in some beans paste into the chiffon cloth, and I sieve out the milk out of the paste. I'm going to separate the milk out of the beans paste. This is very easy to do. Make sure your hands are clean because you're going to use your hand to milk out to get your milk out of the clothes. Yes, just like I'm doing, you squeeze the clothes with your palm so that you can get out enough milk. I'm going to do this till I exhaust the beans paste. Now I'm done sieving out the milk out of the paste, and this is the milk I got out of the paste. You can see that's a lot of milk. So I'm going to transfer this into a big pot. See, just 3 cups of beans gave me this amount of milk. So after pouring it in the pot, I'm going to set the pot on fire to cook. While cooking soya beans, it's good to note that you need to be stirring at intervals. So after cooking for like 20 minutes, the soya milk start to skim on the surface. What I mean by skimming it, it starts to show all this type of clots after cooking for like 20 to 25 minutes. So for me, when I'm making my soya milk, when my soya milk clots twice, that shows me that the soya milk is ready. So that was the first clotting that I showed you. I allowed it to boil again. You can see that's the second clotting. So that's a sign that my soya milk is ready. So I'm just going to turn off the heat after my soya milk has clotted twice. You can allow it clot for more than 2 times, maybe 3 times, but for me I allowed it clot for 2 times. The first one I remove it, I allowed it boil again, then it's going to clot again, then I remove it. After I remove the second one, I'm just going to turn off the heat and cover the soya milk to cool. So this is my soya milk after it has cooled. It is now cold. So now you can sieve it again, because the cooking process can give the soya milk some lumps. Then you can sieve it, then add your sweeteners. I added just sugar into the soya milk. I like my soya milk plain, so I'm just going to add some sugar and stir it together so that the sugar can dissolve in it. After stirring it and making sure the sugar has dissolved, then I'm going to transfer it into containers, into bottles, so that I can store it in the fridge. This soya milk can last for 3 to 4 days. So I'm just going to bottle this up into clean bottles, cover it up and set it in the fridge. And if you are doing this for sales, you have to preserve it in your fridge. So this is what it looks like. Yummy soya milk, very creamy, tasty. I hope you try this recipe. It is very straightforward and easy to do at home. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time, bye.